the old L-O-N-S, number 6, answer us back.
Hello guys,
But I
welcome
must
back
warn
to
you,
Tyler Buzzard
she has
Fun
been
Stuff
known to take
YouTube
off
channel.
on Sundays.
This is my second video today. We're on the Strasburg Railroad, train number 90. This is from the, I believe, the ending of the
Ghost Train. We'll talk about the Ghost Train.
What's happening?
Did I hear someone say echo? No, folks. No. That is no echo. Why, we pay that ghost $27.50 a day just to sit out there and do that for us. And that makes her the highest paid employee on the railroad. Now, nobody has ever claimed to see the ghost, but we do know she's out there because somebody keeps cashing all those paychecks. Speaking of ghosts, that's Carpenter's Graveyard coming up ahead on the left. Is there anybody on board for the graveyard? Back then, over 275 years ago, this was America's frontier, and only Marie Marie, her followers, and the Pequay Indians were here at that time.
Spooky Graveyard.
Here now approaching.
We're over here at the number 90. There's, maybe you might see it on our camera, or just now. It's gonna be loud.
Hey, Gabe.
And then we put some coins down, and we'll try to get some footage of the train going by, so then we can show you guys the coins. All right, so now's the time to get our change. Let's rock. Alright, so we've got our change. We've got, not sure what coin this is because
That was a penny.
here's a penny. Got this really big. There's another penny, I believe.
They're all pennies.
And another one. This one didn't turn out very well.
Found 3 of the 4.
Yeah. This thing is going wild.
Careful, Gabe.
Hold on.